Pathfinding is a fundamental problem. It is required in games, navigation, logistics, traffic control, network routing, and so on. Breadth First Search is the simplest pathfinding algorithm. That is why it is the best point to start from. Imagine you spill a water on a flat surface. The water spreads evenly in all directions at the same speed. It covers the closest area first, then moves outward. The first time water touches a target point, the shortest path is found. To reconstruct the path from the target point to the initial source point, water, when spreading, marks its way on the surface. That way we can backtrack its path from end to start. That is some kind of analogy of what the breadth first search is. The purpose of this program is to demonstrate BFS and how it works. Taking this into account, I need to remark that in no way is this program optimized for speed. It has only one goal: education. The application consists of a control panel with adjustable settings, cell size. It is the grid resolution. Changing it will reload the page and start with an updated cell size. A number of node pairs. Pair is a start and end node. Algorithm's goal is to connect these two nodes, meaning find the path between them. Changing pair quantity also restarts the program with an increased or decreased number of pairs. Grid visibility toggle. Self-evident what it does. The slide is controlling the overall speed of the process. Faster, slower. By the way, all is packed in one HTML file with internal CSS styling and embedded JavaScript. I see no sense in splitting small applications into three separate files. When the page loads, the grid is initialized based on the viewport size and cell size. Random pairs of nodes, start and end points, are generated with constraints. Nodes must be a minimum distance apart. Each pair has a unique color for clarity. BFS runs between each pair, showing exploration, visited cells in dark shades, path reconstruction, final path in bright color. There are 6 functions in total. Initialize. Set up the grid dimensions based on screen size. Creates a 2D array, cells, to track cell states, visited, path, came from. Create nodes. Randomly places start and end nodes while ensuring minimum distance between nodes in a pair, no overlapping nodes. Assign a unique color to each pair. BFS. Process each node pair sequentially. Uses a queue to explore cells level by level. Call build path when the target is found. Build path. Backtracks from the target to the start using came from references. Marks the path cells and cleans up non-path cells. Render. Draws the grid, if enabled. Show visited cells and paths with connecting lines. Display nodes as colored circles. Sleep. Returns a promise which resolves after ms milliseconds. Async await. Syntax forces functions calling sleep to wait for it in real time. I have a lot of comments. I hope they will make all this understandable. The file location is in the description. I scroll the HTML file now. That's all for now. Have a nice one.